Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Fiat 500 Pop. This two-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Fiat has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.